Alright, so today we're just going to do something nice and quick. Just take these Ferrari 14s, as you can see. One of them is faded on each one because it was on the display window at one of my boys' stores. So I'm just gonna re-dye them with the airbrush that I have and some Angelus Red Suede Dye. And you see right here, I'm just using some tape to pretty much just cover the carbon fiber and then the little yellow jewel piece, just because I don't want to get red dye on that because it can stain it. Normally you would want to tape up the black parts as well, because if the red dye gets on it, then it'll turn like a goldish color, but I'm going to be repainting that anyway. Plus it's easy to remove with some cotton balls and some alcohol, but you'll see later on in the video. I did about 3 to 4 coats on each one of the shoes, with of course using the blow dryer, the heat gun to dry in between each layer, just so that it matches the right shoe and it's not too dark. As you see right here, you can see like the little goldish yellow tint around the top part of the black, and then the sock liner. But again, I painted over that, as well as alcohol and cotton ball can remove it as well. And like I said, I'm going to be painting black with Angelus flat black, and then I'll put a matte clear coat over it. Alright, so here they go, side by side. I didn't get any better pictures because I had already given them back, and the ones that I took just didn't show too much, so sorry about that, but you can still see that they match up a lot better now and they don't look as faded. Alright, that was just a quick restoration of some Ferrari 14s. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I got a lot more videos coming.